Hey, what's up? Pradeep Mamgai here from Neurons Factory. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at the silence detection feature in Filmora X. So without further ado, let's get started. The silence detection feature is a paid add-on for Filmora X that allows you to scan and delete quiet pauses from your video, automatically saving you a lot of time in the editing process. This module is not available as a one-time purchase. It requires a subscription. Only clips with audio are eligible for silence detection. In the timeline, I have a clip with silent pauses. You can execute the silence detection command in several ways. You can right-click on the thumbnail and select this command, or you can access it from the Tools menu. The easiest method is to first select the clip in the track and then click on this icon here in the timeline to open the silence detection window. Filmora automatically detects the silence and marks it in the timeline here at the bottom. Let's listen to the audio with default settings. Use these two options if you want to delete tracks. Use this option to change height of the track bigger or smaller depending how you like it. You can also drag a track's edge to change its size. You can also invoke Track Manager if you want to add multiple tracks at once. You can also access these options by right-clicking on this blank area. To select a track, click on this area once. To delete a selected track, right-click and then choose Delete Selected Track. Click on the eye icon of a video track to make it invisible in the preview window. For audio tracks, click on the speaker icon to mute the audio. On the left side of the window, we have parameters for adjusting the silence detection algorithm. If you click on this symbol here, Filmora opens a pop-up and displays an animation that shows how these parameters work on the clip. The default value for the volume threshold is 25%. What this means is that the segments with volume threshold values of less than 25% will automatically be considered silent. The minimum duration defines duration of the low-sounding audio. The default value is half a second. Let's zoom in on the timeline. So if I change the minimum duration to 1 second, Filmora will no longer consider these two durations to be silenced. Softening buffer defines the buffer time for the start and end of the audible segments that are adjacent to the silences or low-sounding parts. So if I change the buffer value, Filmora will adjust the beginning and ending points of the segments to accommodate that buffer. The highlighted sections represent the audible segments that will be visible in the timeline. The darker parts in the timeline are the silence detected by Filmora, and these parts will be deleted once you export the clip. You can export to local hard drive by clicking on this button, or you can click on this button to first export the clip and then import it back in the timeline. If you want to overwrite silence detection segments, you can toggle this eye icon. You can also use these two icons on the timeline. So that's how you can save editing time by using the silence detection feature. If you liked this tutorial, please leave a comment, give it a like, and consider subscribing. As always, thanks for checking out Neurons Factory. See you next time. Take care.